An enthusiastic educator since 22 years, she has grown from a primary section teacher to a leader. The great mentors warmly welcome Ms. Preeti Pasricha, founder and CEO at Eyes Enlighten Yourself every session. The secret of her career graph is her strong quest of knowledge, a strong urge of spreading the knowledge and touching as many lives as possible through education. Apart from being an educational thought leader, she is also a mentor and speaker addressing different topics on parenting, leadership and pedagogy and soft skills. She was interviewed by the India School News magazine for the year 2020 about strategies that should be adopted in a school by all the teachers. She has also written a book named Preeti's Perfect Tips and Mastery 11 Superior Tips to be on top at the workplace during a pandemic. Considering the dynamics involved in personal and professional life of every individual, she immensely believes in a need to inculcate clarity, empathy and insight for success in all endeavors. Considering the dynamics involved in personal and professional life of every individual, she immensely believes in a need to inculcate clarity, empathy and insight for success in all endeavors, which subsequently backed her to commence conducting workshops and courses at different platforms. Her achievements are Dr. Sarvapalli Radhakrishnan, Best Mentor Award, Maruti Art Academy bestowed her with Award of Honor in 2019. Received Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam Award of Honor. Honored with Acharya Vinoba Bhavi Shikshak Samman 2020. Honored with Jagat Guru Shri Krishna Samman 2020.